All right, so this is it, guys. This is the Think 6.5 V3. So yes, this is Graystudios' latest keyboard that is gonna launch around this month. Dates to be confirmed. But yeah, this is the packaging. Pretty nice, pretty simple. I like Graystudios' packaging. Always pretty nice. Always pretty good. Pretty good as always. Right, let's open up the package. I have checked out the keyboard before, so yeah. So we have it in that beautiful red colorway. And look at that, guys. This is it. This is keyboard. Let's take the foam out. But look at this beauty of a keyboard. Just looks absolutely fantastic. This is hot. Yeah. It's a red hot keyboard right here. So this is the Think 6.5 V3. It looks so good from the top. We have the badge right over here, which also lights up, by the way. This is a light bar, and then this also lights up. Yeah, here's the side profile of the keyboard, which changes a lot from the previous Think. But it is a very nice side profile. We have this nice curve. We have this nice peeking through over there. It's just so good. This is one of my favorite side profiles that I've seen in so long. Legit so good. On the top of the keyboard, we have this nice black coming out. Each color is going to be different, guys. So if you have like the coffee, for example, it's going to be like gray or white or something like that. So yeah. It's looking so good. And small details here, if my camera can pick it up. Yep, you can see there's like the logo over there on top of the USB-C. On the back of the keyboard, we have it like this, which looks incredible in my opinion. Look at the back, guys. It's like so good. Red like RS60. It's very similar to RS60. I haven't seen it in person, RS60, but very similar. The back is so nice. We have this nice rounded edges on the bottom as well. Rounded edges. We have a nice PVD weight in the middle, which is quite solid. And the Think logo, the gears. But yeah, it looks incredible. We have these nice curves, nice chamfers. It's a nice booty. And even on the bottom of the keyboard, as you guys can see, yeah, we have this nice curvature right here as well, which is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Okay, so the keyboard comes with a extra daughter board, which is pretty nice. We've got stab shims, we've got a hot swap holder, gaskets. So this is a gasket mount keyboard, guys. It's very similar to it should be the same as Space 65. Should be the same as Space 65 mounting style wise and everything. It's the same. So why every new board seems to get PC plate as default? I think PC plate as default is to cut down cost. I think PC is probably the cheapest plate material, right? And I think that's just to cut down on cost because, you know, as a default plate. Oh, this is a... No, actually, I don't mind the flex cuts on this, but that is a... Oh, dude, the PCB looks so good. I'm not joking. It looks really good. So it's sort of in this gray color, but it's like a cool gray sort of thing. It's so good. Is it the same price point as Space 65? This is $10 more expensive than the Space 65, the starting point. So this starts at $389, I believe. $389, which is fair enough. Fair enough for what you get, honestly. But the flex cuts aren't massive, actually. I don't mind this because, you know, they don't really flex that much. It doesn't really flex, but it does add softness to it. I actually don't mind this. I actually don't mind it because it's not a super flex cut like this one. But yeah, it's a 1.2 millimeter PCB. Unfortunately, we can see that it is a fixed layout. So the hot swap is not multi-layout. Yeah, hot swap is not multi-layout. So you can only do step caps lock support. The bottom row is still a 6.25U, so that's a bit unfortunate, but the PCB does look really, really good. Really good looking PCB. It's a 1.2, by the way. So, yeah. Anyways, for the gasket options, you get two options. You get the normal gaskets, which are a little bit softer, and you have the gasket jackets, which I'm gonna use, which is a little bit stiffer, but that's what I prefer actually going for. All right, this is it, guys. This looks really good. It looks a little bit too bright on the white, but what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I feel like you built this very quickly. It's pretty easy to build, not gonna lie. This keyboard is very easy to build. Like, the steps are pretty simple. It's not as difficult. It's not complicated like the Space 65. It's not complicated like yesterday. It's pretty simple. Legit, very easy to build. But yeah, that is the Think 6.5 V3, guys. What do you guys think of it? I think it looks really nice from the top. I love the badge. It's a 2U badge. It kind of looks weird. It feels like it's missing something over here, but I think it looks fine. And it's gonna light up anyways, but it looks great. Here's the side profile of the keyboard with the keycaps on. We still have that black peeking out on there, so I like that a lot. Looks pretty damn nice. On the top of the keyboard, we have the Think logo right there, and it's so good. How much the case? So the price point for this keyboard is $385. Kind of like the 2U badge there. I dig it. But yeah. Here's the peel, by the way. Solid. Yep, and that is the PVD badge on the back. PVD weight. The black accent piece is really clean. Yeah, it is. One U blocker with FR4 played would have preferred my spec though. Probably would have too, but yeah, that looks really nice, the weight. The side profile is really nice as well. Incredible side profile. That's a highlight of this keyboard. It to me. All right, let's hear how it sounds. This is using Gateron XR2 switches, lubed. We're using a PC plate, flex cut PCB, plate foam, and 2 layers of case foam. And we're using DCX keycaps. So let's hear how this keyboard sounds. It sounds good. Okay, there you go. That is your answer, guys. It sounds good. Thank you very much. It sounds really good, guys. I'm not joking. It actually sounds absolutely fantastic. Fantastic sound profile. Without PE foam, it already sounds marbly in my opinion. So you don't even need that PE foam. It sounds ridiculously clean. All of the alphas sound really, really nice. It sounds very clean. No hollowness issues. No pinging in any area of the keyboard. The clack is marbly without even PE foams. It's just so nice, man. Wow. It sounds fantastic. Yeah, there is plate foam and case foam, but no PE foam. The fact that it doesn't have PE foam. I'm okay with the spacebar. But it does, yeah, I would say it does sound a little bit thin. It sounds really good. It sounds really good. This keyboard's fantastic. All right, just a quote on just a review on the typing feel. It's mostly like your normal gasket mount keyboards, guys. It's not gonna be like way too different between your other gasket mount boards. I feel like gasket mount boards are pretty similar in terms of the typing feel, but it's more of a firm keyboard. This is using the gasket jackets, but it is more of a firm feel. Has a nice soft give to it. So when you hit it, it's actually soft. It's not like stiff or anything. I actually really like the typing feel. It's very comfortable for me to type on. The angle is also nice. The front height is medium. It's not too tall, so it's actually quite nice to type on. The alphas, talking about the sound, the alphas are really clean. Really clean alphas. Really marbly without even PE foam. Really nice. Yeah, mostly consistent sound towards the whole rest of the keyboard, so it's really nice. Visually, this keyboard looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. Really awesome looks to it. Like it honestly looks really good, like super good, and you know, it sounds great as well. So fair play to Graystudios. You've created such a good keyboard, this one. Thanks for the clip, man. Appreciate it. How would you rate the difficulty of the build? Straightforward, or was it challenging? It's so straightforward. It's so straightforward. This is really easy. This is easier than Space 65 R3 because you essentially just open up the top case, put in the keyboard with the gasket mount, and then just close it from the top. It's just as simple as that. You don't have to open up a mid piece. You don't have to do this or that or this or that. So it's very easy, it's very simple, and it's very beginner friendly in terms of like building wise, so it's not difficult.